Hey folks, it's James with 6arrows.tech. Today we're going to be continuing our videos on the SureDone search bar. So let's get into it. So one of the next things that we need to look at is the fields. So the fields are what you're going to be dealing with quite a bit. So some of the fields are going to be like price, and then you could do price greater than $50. And that's going to show you these two, because obviously their price is greater than $50. Some of the others are brand. You could do like Apple, but because I don't have any Apple products on here, nothing's going to show up. So if we did Tyco, that's going to give us both of these. Pretty much any field is available to you to be searched. So title, price, sale price, cost, MSRP, all these. Condition, we can do condition. Condition new. So these two are new. We go back. So if you're trying to find a specific field to search, you can go into the product page specifically and right click on any one of these headers. So listed, updated, total sold, date sold. So if we right click here and inspect, we've got this class, the label, the class, and then for date updated. We do right here. Select this right here. And then this is date updated. Date updated. Keep in mind that these fields are case sensitive, so if you mistype it, it's not going to work. So date updated, this is going to search for anything that was updated then. And that didn't work. Why did it not work? Did I spell it wrong? I spelled it wrong. Date updated. Don't forget the D. Yeah, pretty much any field in here is available to search. Okay, so there we go. So if you're in the custom fields right here, you click on it that way and it will take you to the label MPN. So it's all lowercase right there. That's what you want right there. And that's for searching for and finding the fields to search. So that would be highlight, copy, go in there, backspace, MPN, colon, Control V, or Command V if you're on a Mac. Hit enter, and there you go. Hey folks, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button and let me know what kind of stuff you would like to see. Thanks. God bless.